Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with standard range battery life and has the max trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We get a bed camera up there as well with a nice tailgate step. We got black gripped running boards, side view camera with lights on the mirror and blind spot detection. You plug in your vehicle right here as well, which is all pretty handy. And moving to the front, we got that nice iconic LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle with recovery hooks, front view camera, and we do get a powered mega frunk, which does go up automatically using the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. We got little hooks and doodads to hold your gears down. You do get storage underneath here with your mobile power cord. You got a bunch of outlets because you do get Pro Power Onboard here as well. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space back here. We do get carpet interior, an air compressor. You do get cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course, you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats as well as manual. We have the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, frunk, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 28 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get my view, trip and feel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our leather-wrapped gear select. It is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, your leather-wrapped center console that is lockable. You do get your storage underneath as well. Trailer brake, Protrailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. You get storage above and below, storage right here. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone capabilities, navigation, Fave apps, messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, charge settings, all that fun. Apps in general, any apps you've downloaded will show up right here. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you got public charging, which is pretty handy. So you just click onto it and it'll tell you your nearest charging and how much it is per hour, which is pretty nice. You got your settings just right here and your features such as your drive modes, energies, and for your drive modes though, normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and additional settings such as your one-pedal drive, locking differential, and hill descent. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG06623, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.